Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thank you. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe is set to undergo a significant redesign, with a new look that is bolder, sportier, and more modern than ever before. The Santa Fe is a popular model among Canadian consumers, known for its spacious and comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and impressive fuel efficiency. The 2023 Santa Fe will continue to offer all of these features, but with a refreshed design that is sure to turn heads on the road. One of the most notable changes to the 2023 Santa Fe is its new exterior design. The front of the vehicle features a larger grille, which is flanked by new LED headlights. The new look is more aggressive and sporty, giving the Santa Fe a more commanding presence on the road. The rear of the vehicle has also been redesigned, with new taillights that stretch across the entire width of the vehicle. The overall design is sleeker and more modern, making the Santa Fe more aerodynamic and more efficient. The interior of the 2023 Santa Fe has also been redesigned, with a more premium look and feel. The Santa Fe will feature a new dashboard design, with a larger touchscreen display that is more intuitive and user-friendly. The interior will also be available in several new color options, with a choice of premium materials such as leather and wood accents. The Santa Fe will also be available with a panoramic sunroof, which provides a more open and airy feel to the interior. Under the hood, the 2023 Santa Fe will be available with a choice of powertrains. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those looking for more power, the Santa Fe will also be available with a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Santa Fe will also be available in a hybrid version, which combines a gas engine with an electric motor, and a larger battery pack that can be charged by plugging it into an electric power source. The hybrid version of the Santa Fe features a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, which is powered by a larger 9.8 kWh lithium-ion polymer battery. Together, the gas engine and electric motor produce 227 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission with a sport shift mode, allowing the driver to manually shift gears. Thanks for watching, give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.